Okay, you hold on to the bee brush, and you are going to do the smoke too. You're in this video, whether you like it or not.
Okay.
Okay, give a very light smoke at the beginning, at the front. Okay, now I'm going to open the top. Actually, we can just get rid of the bee brush for a moment.
Okay.
Go ahead and give them a light smoking. We don't want to roast or anything. Do a little bit more like this. Come over here. We want them to go down.
Okay.
Okay, you can keep hold of that now. Like every once in a while, just give me a little smoke. Okay, I'm going to take out some that they're not using right now to make life easier.
Here.
Not using that one either. We'll take that out for now.
I don't know if we want them all to be like in a row like that. I'm not sure if that's.
Okay. Oh, yeah, they're starting to clean these things out. See, look, they're cleaning it.
Ooh. Wow, that's
Busy
beautiful.
cleaning. This is old comb, but they're cleaning it. So. Okay. Go ahead and give me a little more smoke. Over. Actually, you come over here. The bees are over here. So give me a little bit more smoke. You stand in that corner. Like that. Okay. Get rid of that dead bee. Okay. Little silliness over here.
Let Abby do it.
Oops.
Oh, is that honey?
Yeah. A little bit of honey getting in there. They're hiding it on both sides, which is kind of silly of them, but. Okay. Let me put a little more smoke over that. Not on this. Just a little bit. That's enough. Be gentle so we don't squash anybody. Move slowly so that nobody gets worried. Okay. Now we're going to move into where the babies are at.
No. What's this? Oh, you make that yet? Yeah. Okay.
Okay. There's lots of babies there. The good bees. See if I can find the queen. We're going to give her a quick paint marking. Probably in the middle if she hasn't decided to hide somewhere. She's dark. She's got a much. Her bottom is about twice as long. I've seen her once. She's kind of a dark piece. That looks good. There's eggs and stuff in there. Little larvae in there. See them, girl? Okay, we're going to go ahead and put these guys back. Go ahead and give me a little smoke in here. Not too much because there's baby bees on this. There you go. Keep that thing popping. Okay, we're going to open it. Go ahead and give me more smoke across the top. Across the top, babe. So, across the top. Okay. Yeah, very nice, gentle bees. Okay. Okay, we've got more babies in there, more eggs. Good, good, good. Oh, there she is. Oh. Yeah, there she is right there. See? Yeah, she's nice and dark. There's our queen. So now, I need to have you put the smoke down for a moment. You need to hold this for me.
Okay, where am I going to put it?
Just put it down. Okay, where'd she? There she is. Just hold this very carefully and very steadily. She's not too hard to find, actually. See, there she goes. And my ink's being weird. Okay. Alright, we'll put her back in. Well, she's not hard to see or find, so we won't worry about it till I get this ink figured out. Okay, well, that's all we really need to know.
Okay. Oh, this beehive.
Yeah, he probably smells clean on you. I mean, she probably smells the clean. Okay, well, that's all we really needed to do in here, is to find her. Now, I've got to work on my paint things to make sure they actually are working for the next time. So we'll go ahead and start closing them up. Give me some smoke. That way I'm not squashing anybody in between things. I need to make them... Here. I'm going to smoke down in there a little bit. Okay, go ahead and hold the smoke again. Gotta use my tool. Put the smoke down in there a little bit more. Try to send it right straight down. Okay, good job. Alright, now we'll push these ones together. If you look down there, these bees they're holding together. They're trying to make combs. Carefully. Go ahead and give me a little smoke in there. Alright. Well, we didn't paint the curve, but that's fine. Okay, good. They are doing well. They're doing a nice job in there. I don't think they're using this. We're gonna take that out. I have another frame sitting there on top of that meat box. Maybe grab that. Leave the smoke. Yeah, they're not really touching this stuff. Thank you. I don't think we need to smoke them anymore. Okay, I'm going to send everything this way just a little bit. All right. They are. They're fixing the comb on this side. They're cleaning it out. They're fixing it. See it down there? Yeah. All right. Now, go ahead and put the lid on carefully. Are there any bees under it? Oh, they've all moved. Okay. All right. Very carefully. Go ahead and put that on
Is
top.
there a right way to put it on?
Yes. Turn it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, don't bump it or let it fall. Just carefully put it down. Almost. Okay. Go ahead and hand me that bee board down there. Let's investigate it. Oh, yeah, we dumped some stuff off, but that's okay. Pollen. I found one dead mite on it yesterday, but that's fine because I only saw one last week too.
Yes.
Yeah, they're in there because that sugar mixture's in there, but the bees aren't really using it. Okay. Go ahead and turn off the camera, close up the thingy. I've got to do something else real quick, and I will be back over here.